Good afternoon, David. This is Mike Mandato here at Sioka Chevrolet in Quakertown. I'm going to be helping you out today to look at your new 2013 Chevy Cruze. Absolutely gorgeous Cruze for you to look at today. Only 48,445 miles on it. It's a black granite metallic with chrome wheels, jet black interior, 7-inch MyLink touchscreen in the interior. Again, absolutely gorgeous Cruze for you to come look at. Great shape, absolutely fun to drive. If for some reason you're not going to be able to make it or you're going to be running late, you can give us a call here at 215-536-2100. Again, this is Mike Mandato here at Sioka Chevrolet. We look forward to seeing you soon.